tomorrow. Now, level 4 and level 5 is a way in which you will not be using generative AI tools, right? You will essentially set up automated systems. You will learn how to train these generative AI tools on with your own data. Because today, when Divesh showed you ChatGPT or Claude, etc., all of these are general purpose tools, right? What does that mean? They have been trained on vast amounts of data sets. But have they been trained on your data? The answer to that is no. How can you train these models with your data sets? Secondly, how can you use AI tools for insane research? Now, these are not tools. How can you use AI agents for insane research? Someone asked a very good question as we were doing the Q&A, which is, hey, how can I have AI do the research about multiple different job opportunities that are there for me as a designer, right? This is one of the questions that came up. Now you have to use a deep research based agent to be able to do all of the research on your behalf. We will be showing you that tomorrow. We will also see how can we concise all of that research and create business presentations using all of that. Then we will also get into APIs and AI automations, which are super important for anybody and everybody to learn as of today. So I hope you have taken a screenshot of this. Tomorrow is going to be from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. We are going to go into level 4 and level 5. And there is a bonus session as well that we are announcing for tomorrow, which is on making money with AI. What are the opportunities that you can essentially unlock for yourself after you have learned all of these things? So the exact same skills that you are learning in this mastermind, we are also going to be telling you how them to make money, how to get your first few clients and everything around it, right? I hope that's clear. And on a scale of 0 to 10, I want all of you to tell me on the chat box over here. I'll put the spotlight on him as well. Wonderful. Wonderful. I want to ask all of you right now, at what time will you join the session tomorrow? At what time will you join the session tomorrow? I see a lot of 11s coming in. We are going to start at 11. By when should you be joining in? 10:50, 10:55. Join in 5 minutes early so that you can set your systems up and you're absolutely ready to dive into level 4 and level 5. There is also a bonus day, so keep that excitement coming in. A lot of what we are teaching is with a very no code approach, right? We are using no code tools. We are seeing how AI can write code for us and all of that. But there is also a coding side to it, right? And it's not that everybody has to learn how to write code or how to, use code to use AI tools or to leverage AI. It is engineers who will start working on LLMs itself. So you see ChatGPT today, you see a Claude today. How can you work on such kind of large language models with code? So we have a bonus day, which is on Sunday, which is the 20th of April. We will be having a 3 hour long session on how to leverage AI by writing code. So here is where you will build AI agents using code, and this session is primarily for all of the engineers. I'll talk about this tomorrow as well and give you more details about it, but just wanted to let you know that it is a bonus day that we have included for all of you. Right now, having said that, there are not going to be any recordings. So make sure that you're blocking all of tomorrow and attending all of the sessions tomorrow and day after tomorrow live. Of course, day after tomorrow, if you are a non-techie, you don't want to get into the coding side of it, you can absolutely choose to ignore that. That is fine. But for all the technical people, day after tomorrow is also going to be a mandatory session. Now, getting into the logistics setup. What do I mean? Right? But before I, talk about the community, I also want to talk about this, which is people have been asking us already about the certificates. A lot of questions on the chat where, hey, am I going to get certificate for the effort that I'm putting in this weekend? The answer to that is yes. When will we give that certificate? Is that going to happen today? Absolutely not. People who complete 90% of this mastermind are the ones who are going to get the certificate from Outskill. This is what the certificate will look like. And all of you can go ahead and post this certificate, either add it to your resumes or go ahead and post it on LinkedIn as well. A lot of people have already done that, and there is immense value that comes off it. However, I believe that the bigger value is in attending the sessions and learning, and not the certificate in itself, right? But now I want to help all of you join the Discord community. Are you all excited to join the community? I think somebody in the Q&A was also asking, what are the online communities that we need to get into, right? So this community that we are giving you is not only for these 2 days, it is for beyond of that as well. So I will have communities. So Om, over to you to help everyone enter our community platform.
Perfect. Let's do this, folks. So just a quick check. How many of you have used Discord before? Have you heard about it? Yes, no, quickly in the chat. Yes. If you have not heard it, it's basically a platform where we and you can chat throughout the day. We'll be doing a lot more activities. We'll be posting up there as well. And right now, I'll be showing you exactly how to get into it along with steps. Okay. A lot of you, I think, good mixed review. So I'm going to exactly show you how to get in, and then I will share the link for you to get in as well. Okay. So what you're going to do is I'm actually, let me show you the steps that we are going to follow along with where these are published. Okay. I'm sharing my full screen so that you are able to follow through. So we have made a proper document for you to follow step by step, just in case if a lot of you are new. There are two things you will find out. One is the invitation link, a few steps on how you should go out if you're old user already, or if you're a new user, what to do. And there's a very short video as well. So just in case you need it at your own time after this session.
You can just
and
open the video and kind of show that the video also.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let me show it how to log in, and then I'll run them through as well. And there are a few common problems that you might face and how to solve them. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this link that you see on my screen, and I'm going to show it to you in a completely new window. Let's check. So you take this link, you go to your browser, and it will ask you to put your display name. Display name, use your name that you are on Zoom or the real name that you have been using to attend this mastermind. Will ask you to verify if you're a human. The best math theme of a sample image. This is okay. This is a home decor. I'll have some pancakes selected. Let's see. If you already have an account, it will be basically a very smooth process. Now, this is assuming that I have never logged into Discord before. So it will ask you to create an account by providing some information. Okay. So it's asking me for my date of birth. It's simple for you to get in. Okay, let me try. It. Perfect. And this one email you are using, assuming, and when you click on and finish, you'll land in. Okay. And these are all the channels, and this is how you'll be using it, right? Once you verify, this bar will go away and you'll be able to type in all the channels as well, right? So the first channel is where we will send you all the updates from our side. The second is for you to introduce yourself in a format that's given so you are able to better leverage the community. This is a group chat where we can have any sort of conversation on and around AI. Notes is that whenever you keep on taking notes of all the session, you can share it here for larger community to sort of keep on that learning active. Gratitude, any session when it's done, we'll express our so much in the which for giving me this information. These are the 5 things that I learned, and we'll do that. gratitude pledge. We'll come to that very quick. We'll commit to the 2-day mastermind, and there's a way we'll do that. Support any technical questions that you have, or you're stuck with something, is when you'll push on support. Okay, this is basically how it looks, right? Once you claim an account, as I said, you will be the type around, right? Few people already are here. We are not humans, we are all AI agents now. How can you get in, and how would that happen? Just in case, if you're logging in and there might be one problem that you may see, just in case for very small number of people, which is, instead of this bar you must claim and verify, you would see a message not loaded bar with a red sort of bar. If you see that, just give it 2 to 5 minutes and use the same link and try the same process again. You will be able to see this. Okay, just taking a quick check on Zoom chat. Are we all clear as to how to go about it? If yes, I'll share the link and we'll quickly get started into it.
You can put in yes or clear if you're clear with the instructions.
If you are not clear, just in case, there's a whole document. You can read step by step and follow the process. It's exactly same. I'll take on this link and post it out in the
Yeah, I'll close
one
the
second.
chat box and you
Yeah.
can put in both the links.
Follow the steps to join Discord server, and I'll also Discord invite
Yeah.
link.
So all of you have the PDF document. The PDF document also has a video that you could watch once this session is done, probably if you're not able to join. But the direct invitation link is also on the chat box. Now,
Yeah.
folks, we'll give it like 5 minutes for everyone to join. But as you join, I would want to have all of you drop in the word hi on the group chat so that we understand that people are able to join, and we'll give it probably 4 to 5 minutes for everybody to be able to access
Yeah.
this, right? Like I said, this is not a community for you to go ahead and spam. This is a community for you to connect with AI, like-minded AI enthusiasts who are all learning hot. So the reason why this step is very, very important is because while of course we'll be using this community a lot tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will also be using it to take updates from you, to see how you're incorporating AI solutions in your daily life, for you to interact with each other and ask questions to us as well
Yeah.
after the mastermind kind of gets over. So take this time, join the Discord community right away. Om, any other instructions that you may want to add, you can go
Perfect.
ahead.
Okay. Folks, while you text in hi, can we also understand how was the Vijay session for you? Can we drop some words of gratitude, understand if you actually loved it, liked it, and be a little more expressive about and you got off with a good start for the next 2 days. Okay. And text in and you understand what to do where.
Sudhir says, I'm still in shock. Why are you in shock, Sudhir? Didn't you expect AI's potential to be this much?
Interesting. I'll also quickly keep a check on how many people have got in.
To join in. And people who are not able to join, since we have done masterminds like these multiple times, I know that there could be some of you right now on the other side who are facing errors or who are having issues. For the same reason, Om, if you could show the document once again. Yeah. All the issues that you might face are all written here, and the solutions of it are also written here. There's also a video that we have recorded. If, let's say, you're lost and you do not know how to join the Discord community, you can watch the video as well. And this PDF, this entire document is there on the chat box. I'll drop the link of it once again, right? You can access this. You can access this from the chat box. You will have the video to watch. You can watch that after this session is done. And if nothing is working for you, our support email ID is also written there, which is hi@outskill.com. You can go ahead, write an email. We will have your email address. So we will also be able to give you the access from the backend. If nothing else works, that is the last resort that you can essentially go ahead and take.
Perfect. Let's get back and check. Okay, interesting.
Can you go to notes channel once, Om?
Yeah, we already have about 1,300 people who have gotten.